Hello, Professor. Today I will explain you how to solve problem in home assignment number 4. And today we will make a program that will create such a pyramid. So first of all, we should to create a table that will show what we have. First of all, we see that there is 5 lines. So we write number of lines. Next, what we can see is a space before the letter. We will write just space. Then after this, we see number of letters on in one line. And the letter itself. All right, we can see that there is 5 lines, so basically we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, we see that we have such things that we have different number of space before letter on each line. So on first we have 4 spaces. After that we have 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right. Next is number of letters. On first line we see that there is only 1 letter. After that it goes 3. Then we can see that each line plus 2 letters, 5, 7, and 9. And letter itself, so it will be, as we can see, it will be A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now we can see this. Now we'll do program itself. So we will start from like include I use stream. This basically is library. After that we will write using namespaces today. And now we can write main function. Well, first of all, we should write parameters. So we can see that we'll need 4 parameters. Main of them like I will be for number of lines. Then after that, space will be, let me say, G. Number of letters will be Y. And letter will be another type of data. It will be char. And I will write, first of all, this letter will be A. So I will describe later why I choose those methods. Now we can start our cycle from number of lines, because it is, let me say, main cycle. So for this is simple. For I will start from 1, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be finished by 5, because 5 lines. So give me a minute, because my left hand is tired. And now we will start from the space, because you see there is different amount of space for each line, and we can see as at the beginning it starts from the biggest amount and then it goes less and less. So we should to find out a special formula that will let us to do it automatically for each line. And I do it before. Let me see in my on my notes. Yeah, I can see. So we will start as usually for J. I will use from 1, and J will be like, I have here such a formula. Let me explain how it works. So if we have first line, we have I for 1, then we need to repeat space several amount of times, and to find out we will put here I. So for first line we will have 4 spaces. So we can see this 5 minus 1 is 4. For next space we have 3 spaces. For next line we have 3 spaces. So here we will have like 5 minus 2 is 3, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and so on. Here we just type on our screen a space. So we'll have space here, and then our cycle is finished. That is about our spaces. Next thing is about letters, and we can see that here on each line we have 1, 2 letters bigger than previous. So I will tell you honestly, I didn't figure it out by myself because it's pretty difficult for my little brain, but I saw on ChatGPT explanation how it works. The solution, basically. Solution is formula like 2i, like 2i minus 1. It's a formula of amount of letters on each line. So, for example, we will see how many lines we will have on the first, how many letters we will have on the first line. So we will get I1. 2i minus 1 is 1, because like you see, to multiply on 1 will be 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, then we will multiply 2, we can see this is 4, then minus 1 is 3, it works. Next line, 3 multiply on 2, it will be 6 minus 1 is 5, and it works. So this formula works for a number of letters. Now we will use it for our cycle. Here we will type out on our screen our letters, as we already mentioned before. It starts from A in uppercase. We close here cycle because we did our cycle with a number of letters. And now we have to make a new line. So before main cycle is finished, we type out end line. And now we can see that in each line we use next letter. So I use this method because it's the simplest way to do this, because in each cycle we just write letter plus plus, and like when our lines finish, in next line we can see that we will have like next letter. So that finished, we also finish our main function, return 0, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for attendance. That's my explanation of code. I am a student from your computer science class. My name is Aidar Avzalov. That's again me. Thank you.